How to fix GIFs not showing in Teams. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your device and click on the search bar at the bottom and search Teams. Right-click on Microsoft Teams and then click on App Settings. After you click on App Settings in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply scroll down. After you scroll down, you'll find Repair. Simply click on Repair. After it's repaired, press on Reset. Then press on Reset again. The app will reset. After you do this, it will be solved. If it's not solved, you can search Microsoft Teams again, right-click on it, and press on Uninstall. After you've pressed on Uninstall in here, and the app is uninstalled, you can open Chrome, search Microsoft.com, and here you will find Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Simply click on it and download it. After you have downloaded, log into your account and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix GIFs not showing in Teams. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.